Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to organize your papers in Mendeley. First, we can create folders to organize papers by a project or a research paper or a class. So to create a folder, over on the left, we'll click Create Folder and type in a title. Then to add papers to this folder, we'll go to All Documents, and then all you need to do is click on an article you have there and drag and drop it to your folder. If we click on that folder, we now see that that paper is there. This paper will also still be in the All Documents because anything you have in your library, no matter what folders, will always be in this list as well. You can also add papers to folders when you are exporting the citation to Mendeley as well. So if we go back to Science Direct and click on another article here, when we click on Export, Save to Mendeley, and this works when you're using the web importer from other places as well, you can choose the folder that it goes to, and right now it is only picking up this folder, but we click Save, and then go to our Mendeley desktop, click Sync, there's the article, and in this ESF 200 folder, there's that article. It's a quick way to add articles to folders right away. Okay, next, another way you can organize papers and search for them is by adding tags. We click on any article, and over on the right, with all the citation information, you'll see this field, Tags. And you can add many tags, separate them by a semicolon. So you might want to pick words, keywords for your paper. So maybe just pollution, urban. We'll add those tags. Then you'll see over here on the left, we could filter all our papers by tags. So if we picked another one and added some more tags, pollution and urban again, then if we wanted to filter by those tags, and pull up just the articles that have the urban tag, it would give us just those two articles in this list. Alternatively, we could also filter or search by other authors or publications. I believe that would be journals. So then you can search through your whole library and find articles or references by tags you've given them or by authors. You can also use the search bar up here to search similarly. And this would search pretty much anywhere in the document or citation information, and it gives you search results there. Okay, so that is how to add a folder, how to add tags, and how to search for specific papers within your library. Thank you.